Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use hardware wallet integration in Green Bitcoin Wallet. Using hardware wallet integration with Green Bitcoin Wallet application enhances the security of your Bitcoin by allowing you to store your private key offline while still managing a transaction through the application. First, set up your hardware wallet. Ensure that your hardware wallet is properly set up and initialized. Follow the manufacturer instruction to create a wallet and set a secure PIN. Make sure you have a hardware wallet software installed on your device, as you may need it for the initial step. Now, launch the Green Bitcoin Wallet application on your device and unlock the application using your PIN or biometric. Go to the menu, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Set up a new wallet button and click on Get Started button. After that, you can see On Hardware Wallet button and click on it. Now, if you have Z Hardware Wallet, click on Connect Z button and make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled. You can also connect with other hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. You can follow the prompt to connect your hardware wallet. If you are using Ledger, connect the device via USB or Bluetooth depending on the model. If you are using Trezor, connect via USB. You may need to unlock your hardware wallet by entering your PIN. Now, if you want to create a new wallet, select the option to create new wallet. This will generate a new wallet address on your hardware wallet. If you have an existing wallet on your hardware device, choose the option to import it. Follow the prompts to complete the import process. After successfully adding the hardware wallet, you will see it listed on your wallet management section. View balance and transaction. Tap on hardware wallet to view balance and transaction history. When you are done using your hardware wallet, you can disconnect it safely from your device. Make sure to always properly disconnect your hardware wallet to maintain security. So that is how you can use hardware wallet integration in Green Bitcoin Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.